Number 2116, The Shadow of Niji. The picture dissipates, the fragment disseminates, Yun Che's soul-returned person in a deathly stillness. One type has never had deathly stillness. Yun Che and Lee Suo fell into the long-time silence. Has not known how long, Lee Suo made noise spookily, if Mo-A saves the world, the truth to inform various world ancestral sword and wheel of myriad tribulations sooner, can be the different results. Yun Che gave the response, the tone brings moving fast, impossible. Why? Reason many. Yun Che voice, sounds slowly, ancestral sword and wheel of myriad tribulations essence, 4 great creation gods and 4 big devil emperor all do not have to know. But exists as, revision, the secret of first ancestor also indeed may not know for the world. Knowing of Mo-A, is ancestral sword spirit informing, since opens heart, and trusts. But by Mo-A that as upright as the peak personality, how also to easily divulge others the secret of first ancestor. Moreover, this truth is extremely serious, once knows, the two say, way in cognition, will turn extremely always hang in the above judgment, is top, Mo will withstand the soul pressure that is unable to get rid of eternal. I think, if Mo-A can choose, he may choose will never know. I believe firmly, he until buries null abyss Mo Su personally. Also has never thought told him all reason. Is, what? Lee Suo asked the same two characters. Yun Che's soul see fierce tightening, he as if slow some little time, said gently, Mo-A he loves the sun finally, he chooses berries to extinguish impersonally, is actually willing to look that surely he leads regretless, devotion, sad lie to perish, rather than confused with regret, like King Yu, until dropping abyss, only hopes that I only have pure hate to her. He remembers the Dragon God old book, final a few words about heaven punishing God Emperor Mo-A record. The summit of divine palace, heaven punishing God Emperor looked at the day dead content, died of old age to leave the world. Finally the God language, is, Mo Su, the name. Quote, in the past, when he and Kianye Yinger read this record, when the hearts welled up shocked, what are more taunts and question? With as the father, he is unable to imagine what situation to kill with one's own hand oneself children, heartless to kill with one's own hand cruel-heartedly, why also must before finally sad read, thought. Yun Che absent-minded is muttering, obtains evil god inheritance, some remote ancient, truth, then little pieces together in my cognition. Initial heaven punishing God Emperor, in my cognition is rigid near simple-minded creation God, in many news fragments and various records, aims at him as the origins of all calamity, is his acting arbitrarily, the cold blood as brutal, eventually caused burying of gods and devils era to extinguish, caused nearly ruined now era, crimson tribulation. However evil God, in my cognition is a severe image. He cleans up the mess that the gods and devils era end left behind alone, subsided all odd, surplus huo, the seal moon slaughter devil sovereign and evil infant's wheel of myriad tribulations, leaves behind the inheritance and will, was also I prevented heaven smiting devil emperor by his successor, saved the present age. Anger and hate of heaven smiting devil emperor to Mo-A, is deepening my wicked view to the heaven punishing God Emperor. But, Yun Che voice, sound took several points of sad correct, however, the shadow of evil God, I see, unexpectedly is like that in confusion dejected. I asked at that time he does hate Mo-A, he replied that, does not have the qualifications to hate, making me confused very for a long time very long. All sins in me, not in him. The name of, once elemental creation God, none was the rejection, but after was I do not match, the hidden world, none was completely discouraged, but was I do not have the face countenance to the world. Builds this world, is my sin. Initially, the spoken language that these he is unable to understand, to at this moment, had the enough clear answer finally. Evil God does not hate Mo-A, he hates himself. He felt, if not an heaven-smiting devil emperor union, if not oneself bring Mo Su to get rid of the shackles of outmoded rules and regulations step by step, will also encourage him to break through separation and Pan Ming's daughter gods and devils loves one another, behind all not to happen. He thinks that was harmed heaven smiting devil emperor, harmed their daughters, harmed Mosu, harms the end of gods and devils era Mo'i, also eventually caused. However, heaven punishing god emperor Mo'i hates itself similarly. Heaven punishing ancestral sword altogether wields 3 swords above the history. But this unprecedented peerless side said 3 swords. His first sword wielded to own son, cut off the kinship. The second sword wielded to heaven smiting devil emperor, cut off the friendship. The third sword seemingly wields to evil god, wields actually to oneself, cut off own remaining years of life. Yun Che long sigh, building Mo a child shed oneself, must maintain the world of balanced cornerstone gods and devils, Ni Shan falls until the life, is worrying about the safety of later generation, but why their life, is actually such result. What for is right, what YQO, what Whiten, what is false. Why knows a Mo, instead Mo is unable to see clearly to the wrong actual situation. All that then, I make now, I have thought to mistake, whether is really to the reality that the mistake that I think, whether is also only hazy in the illusory bubble. Even evil God and heaven punishing God Emperor so, that I so-called do not move insisted that, seriously is the direction that aims at me to think. Yun Che, Yun Che, Yun Che, the soul sea has together the saint glow of shining soul suddenly, finally under subsides he extremely chaotic soul turbulence. The Li Suo fuzzy body shadow band holy white glow in the Yun Che's soul sea, ye is opening sufficiently the mild world all soul warm feelings presently. Her gentle voice, sound, from his soul sea dead center, gentle spreads to his each soul string, you had once said that in this world, perhaps never exists truly to mistake good and evil, persevering is more important than to the wrong good and evil, perseveres the standpoint. Yun Che, at first, I am unable to understand your spoken languages. Because to the boundary of wrong good and evil, the itself, when in my cognition is incomparable clear. Until, my again and again looks at you to violate the evil conduct, again and again sensation your soul stabbing pain. If no charitable disposition, why because of evil conduct but soul war casualty. If heart for good, why also never stops the steps wicked deep pool. Her voice, sound even more supple slow, such as the light breeze strokes saying that dawn congealing reveal, my cognition is incomplete, train of thought also throughout as you said like that slow. But these years, I of all that observes you to make, soul fluctuation that the sensation you every is flickering, I understood your initial words slowly. All that, your standpoint, your insistence, you must protect, had exceeded the concept of your in the eyes to wrong and good and evil, exceeded own existence. Therefore, even if every step treads in sticking a thorn on the soul thorn, you still never hesitate, never in step. Initially when enters deep Yuanji, she questioned unceasingly, sighed unceasingly, again and again puzzled with, helpless, afterward, she always looks silently, is giving the reminder, is giving the comfort, occasionally, will also be giving never the accepted suggestion. Even I, gradual cognition with accepting, why you also questioned own persevering until now. Soul see silent, for a long time, resounds Yun Che quite somewhat strange voice, sound, I do not know before unexpectedly, you will also very comfort the person. Quote. Li Suo some do not determine saying, is this, the praise? Yun Che smiles, the tonality is very natural, relax, various broken matters experience were many, my will may not have you to think frailly, just now to have confused that's all slightly. Actually, that absolutely not as, has slightly. Will creation God that is symbolizing sacred and ultimate good, approve the standpoint to exceed the good and evil unexpectedly? If this made your past believer know, feared wanted the faith avalanche. The Yun Che tone is strange, I am somewhat curious, your standpoint, what can also be unexpected? Li Suo gave him to reply unexpectedly directly, my standpoint, naturally is you. Quote. Yoon Che gawked slightly. If the end of road of ya is a huge evil consequence, will be shouldered by me and you together. After all, I am in your mouth, helping a tyrant do evil, the person is incomplete creation God. Therefore, does not need to be disturbed and confused. You are not Ni Shan, is not Mo A, but is unique Yoon Che, I expected, believes you move toward, met with their different life. Yoon Che makes the thinking shape, your these words, a little creation God divine nature, made me have a little move actually suddenly unexpectedly. Lee Suo, white glow, gets up in soul see deep place shining slightly. That is evil God loses, a final memory fragment. But when this memory fragment appears, releases, actually before us, entirely different soul breath. This soul aura, Lee Suo released the deep doubts, is me. Strange. Yoon Che was also startled, evil God will there, how have to be your memory fragment? Only if, is you give him. Quote. Lee Suo is unable to recall. The soul breath that this memory fragment releases is extremely weak, has very heavy incomplete feeling. Perhaps desalinates for the years, damages for the external force. White glow dispersing on fragment, opens a pure white world in the Yoon Che's consciousness small roadside shop. When the world is gradually clear, Yoon Che saw the life God hall outline once again. Picture especially fuzzy, in all directions is incomplete of collapse. In the picture, a white immortal shadow moved toward coffin of eternity slowly, vertical fuzzy like the fog, with the peerless bearing, may distinguish like that is before his creation God of life Lee Suo. Her palm stretches out, white glow turns round to the sinking dormancy young girl in coffin of eternity, in the mouth is sending out gently says, world has so special soul base and soul source unexpectedly, and human, non-God, not demon. Is this, the union of God and devil? At this time, turned round dissipates in young girl's white glow of body suddenly. A space slight distortion, the above of young girl, screens a empty probability unexpectedly slowly the shadow. Yoon Che is unable to see clearly this phantom complete picture, but can distinguish vaguely, that is a long hair such as the night, the shadow of flesh snow white young girl, is actually not the Honga hair color, Honga body. Facing the shadow of this present young girl, Lee Suo stagnates the mud air suddenly, for a very long time has not had the movement. As creation God of life she loses the soul unexpectedly for a long time. The young girl opens the mouth, is sending out elusively such as imaginary voice, sound, the Lee Suo senior is good, first meeting, I called Ni Ji, was father Ni Shan and mother Ji Yuan daughter. Lee Suo's snowy hand then puts down gently, the double pupil decides to look at the shadow of young girl as before, in the world, has the so happy thing unexpectedly. She is world of all grace and talents volume of remote in creation God of life, actually one sends out the world only has facing her, losing soul opinions that can voice. The young girl's continued, voice, sound brings some urgency, before father my devil soul separates, I quietly hide wisp of soul, is good as too chaotic because of his state of mind, had not detected. My existence, only this final dozen's breaths. In request world is best, when most beautiful Lee Suo senior, for my new body solid soul, completely do not turn round my soul base and soul source, but leaves behind a gap. Lee Suo looks at her, why? Because, the father has not hated to annihilate my devil soul, but hiding. Therefore, so long as my soul base has not sealed, soul source has not extinguished, if one day can touch devil soul, perhaps also returns to the complete possibility. Brief silence, Lee Suo shakes the head slowly, cannot. I, although unknown detail, but Ni Shan can endure suffering to make this act, likely involves with Mo A, his person of non-violation, Mo A does not accommodate the person of violation. The Lee Suo senior is quite intelligent. The young girl's appraising, seems like brings the smile, as if completely does not have the fear that will soon dissipate eternal, but, I am only the female who anything does not understand, no matter your sir's commitments. Again many commitments, does not have father's safety to be important. Father, safety. Hasn't the Lee Suo Senior detected? Fathers his divine soul has disrupted. Quote. Lee Suo had not denied. He is too painful, is too guilty, rebukes oneself, creation God's soul split open many fissures. He only thinks the shunning the world deep sleep now, but divine soul cracks again, the time of his deep sleep will be getting more and more long, perhaps, 1,000,000 years not necessarily can have 100 years of sobriety. I, helpless. Lee Suo voice, sound brings deep being incapable and feels sorry, she can save myriad spirits, is actually not able to save the broken soul creation God. But I have the means to restore Father's divine soul. The form of young girl obviously empty melted a point, her voice, sound also anxious, moreover, I heard the Mo A Senior to say personally, he to the ancestral sword spirit commitment, to the gods and devils fusion did not accommodate, when will continue to he died of old age, in other words, after he died of old age, all grievances, insisted on, commitment from the solution. Therefore, I will not let the father in Lee Suo Senior feel embarrassed, even must return completely, still certainly after the Mo A Senior body falls. The Lee Suo Senior asked you, otherwise, the father he really met, eternal deep sleep slowly. But, Lee Suo said, if no longer the soul base and soul source, your new body and disposition, are unable to grow forever stays in the young female condition. But restores completely, actually the endless uncertain possibility, so, do you also want to insist? The young girls have no hesitation accordingly, I cannot make the father's sorrow get down, even the little hope, I must save him, this is the matter that the daughter must do. Otherwise, mother comes back, will be very certainly sadly. Does mother come back? Lee Suo has not corrected the young girl as the daughter to fantasy that mother returns. The form of young girl went to several points weakly, only light missed. The Lee Suo Senior, asking you to comply. As the repayment, I can tell a Lee Suo Senior very big secret. The father and Mo A Senior battles, I discovered that I can, the sensation to, execute. As phantom of young girl her voice, sound is completely suddenly lose. Leaves behind Lee Suo to be startled for a very long time however. Number 2117, Shattered, first part. Ripple silent change that but the distortion the fuzzy picture such as swings, but as in life God Hall. Honored master, who is she? Good cute. She looks rests the young girl in crystal peacefully, is sending out shocking acclaiming. Yoon Che's soul palpitates suddenly. Although the picture, voice, sound have serious staring and fuzziness, but Yoon Che flickers to distinguish as before, that is the Shen Shi form, Shen Shi voice, sound. Although, this voice, sound brings nimble and resourceful of young girl, rather than he knows very well like that pale vast like smoke. Lee Suo said in a soft voice, she can be my future adopted daughter, can be you very good friend. I have not given her temporarily with enough time the name. The words of name, Shen Shi thinks, somewhat smart Aleki say, way, today, the Winhu flower in Saint Garden is in full bloom all, really quite beautiful, probably is welcoming her arrival to be the same. Therefore, called her Winhu, was good. Lee Suo smiles, nods slightly, good. Her voice, sound always supple van-like that also brings several points of pamper, actually should not have lofty that to high divine spirit only. Voice, sound transmits from God Hall, Sword Spirit God Clan current Patriarch Ling Zhen, comes pays respect to Sir Lee Suo responding to a call. Zaire, you draw back for the time being. Yes, honored master. A figure is big, vertical is still difficult to cover the Horan righteous Chi the male half step to enter in the fuzzy memory fragment, bows to do obeisance, small divine spirit Zhen, pays respect to Sir Lee Suo, does not know that Sir Lee Suo summoned has what instruction. Lee Suo has not replied immediately, but will look at the young girl in crystal. Ling Zhen looks with her line of sight, immediately exudes the startled sound, coffin of eternity. Young God remembers, coffin of eternity is Shike Sir gift Sir Ni Shan, his accumulated the Hengshi strength, as the Element Divine Tower pivot shaft base, may bless Element Divine Tower to stand erect forever eternal. Why unexpectedly presently here? And young girl, his words stop, does not dare to talk foolishly. Lee Suo said, world does not have elemental creation God, did not have element divine tower. Lin Zhen knits the brows to lift the head, endless astonished. You do not need to ask, the destiny, without to change. Her voice, sound, bringing creation God extremely to be few some to be sad and helpless. I summon you to come today, wants in the young girl this, to entrust in you. Lin Zhen said respectfully, the life of Sir Lee Suo, young god from, when complies with. Why is the young god? Lee Suo explained lightly, she called Wenhu, its body its soul was quite special. I modeled to put in order the body and soul for it. But, one of her soul, is together sword soul. This sword soul has half of damages, but as before strange incomparable, I am complete its patching by the bright saint's strength, in any event, is actually not able to enable it to achieve compatibility with the body. Lin Zhen Patriarch, in the past, your young girl Si Yao by Ecuadoran early death, your fucking long recall, preserved her sword soul. I hope that you confuse with her sword soul Si Yao's sword soul, take it as to direct, enabling new life sword soul to achieve compatibility with her body. When she wakes up, she is the female of your Lin Zhen. The Lin Zhen eyes play moves, suddenly heavily kneels, trembling said, the saint life of Sir Lee Suo, my Lin Zhen vertical is 10,000 dies is also willing. But the daughter Si Yao destiny sorrow, I as his father, have a deficit her life, often recalls, is in deep sorrow. But her sword soul, is she keeps final thought in the world. Only this matter, only related to Si Yao, asking Sir Lee Suo to take back the saint life. Lee Suo spooky opens the mouth, she is the Ni Shan daughter. Lin Zhen voice, sound stops suddenly, he transfers the pupil, decided looks at the young girl in coffin of eternity, suddenly his fierce shakes the head, incomparably firm say, Wei, the graciousness of Sir Ni Shan, my sword spirit god clan 10,000 Shinan. From today, she is my Lin Zhen daughter. Is my sword spirit god clan most honored little princess. My Lin Zhen takes an oath by the life, can give her life safe and calm, the life is pleasant. Vertical entire clan destruction, decides does not make her suffer the least bit wound sorrow. His words is sonorous, such as red TNU, heaven's decree. Good. Lee Suo nods gently, has Lin Zhen Patriarch this word, Ni Shan he may feel at ease surely. Is only, do not let anybody, including her own, knows own life experience. Sir Lee Suo felt relieved. Lin Zhen voice, sound trembles as before, my anything will not ask, anybody, will not have a knowledge. ... The picture belongs to white mist, then radical dissipation. It seems like, this is really you give the senior evil god memory fragment. Yun Che state of mind complex say, Wei, to inform his daughters the place of settling probably. But senior evil god also continuously careful as collecting, has preserved his final wisp of soul unexpectedly, perhaps, this is only consolation in his final years. In this manner Honga unexpectedly is sword spirit god clan that enters. But her sword soul is also complex like that she inherits from heaven smiting devil emperor, was stripped the dark ingredient incomplete sword soul, the strength of Ni Shan remold, patching of Lee Suo's sacred power, also to fuse sword spirit patriarch's daughter complete sword soul finally unexpectedly. Her sword transforms into sacred power, fully conforms to the suspicion that heaven smiting devil emperor clenched jaws at that time from Lee Suo. But she uses the sword as the food, and strange ability that confuse the sword of eating. Is it possible that unexpectedly is the strength of heresy the mixed heaven smiting devil emperor, elemental creation god of life, various sword spirit god clan ingredients derived? I am somewhat curious, Lee Suo lightly said, that girl named Niji, she wants to tell my secret, is actually what? Yun Che is uninteresting, god and devil era has ended, that era regardless of what secret, is unimportant. He at this time thinks heaven-smiting devil emperor had once asked his question. Yun Che, you said, I confuse their soul. Chapter 1461. But he chooses to give to advice, reason regardless of hunger or yuer, has become the individual. If fuses, is equivalent to the two existences writes off. Also as his word, making heaven-smiting devil emperor give up this thought decisively. At this moment wants to come, that time heaven-smiting devil emperor distinct judged, hunger and yuer confuse, but after they fused, was once Ni Ji. In other words, past Li Suo complied with the request of Ni Ji. Why this is also, hunger regardless of the body or the disposition, throughout as a young girl, as if will never grow. In the past, he advised against heaven-smiting devil emperor the proposition that hunger and yuer fused, he himself will not naturally try this thought. Therefore, this by way of the request of Ni Ji, Li Suo possibility that leaves behind benevolently, has not become big touching to other party. He even flashes through thought, by way of so mutation hunger, even really confuse with yuer, Ni Ji that, restores, becomes, but can also be once that Ni Ji. Not as so indeed important. Li Suo is expressing the approval, Ni Shan leaves your remembering specially, has creates big touching to you. For example, changes your original state of mind to, him, cognition as well as, the law of dealing. Yun Che had not replied. For a long time, he resembles as talks to oneself, heaven-punishing God Emperor said two names. Pan Ming broken void mirror, as well as demon counter wheel bead. He said that therefore, to high devil weapon, said their power are, space, and, time, dual blockades, is better than heaven-punishing God Emperor, is unable to work loose. Devil Empress that time yes, has fulfilled unexpectedly completely. They are, underworld mirror that, Devil Empress mentioned at that time and, Devil Pearl. Pierced Abyss Channel, Black Tide Period and Cradle. Yun Che long shouted the one breath. Li Suo said, you were worrying, Pan Ming broken void mirror and demon counter wheel bead in, him, in hand. It is not the worry. Yun Che voice, sound brings the slight heaviness, almost has been able to determine. All that I know, are aiming in this. Even so, does not need extremely to worry. The Li Suo consolation said, Abyss power plane, level, although is higher than God realm, but as before far inferior gods and devils era. Therefore, underworld mirror and devil pearl power, when cannot restore remote inevitably. Moreover, underworld mirror and devil pearl eventually are devil weapon, but, he, is the god, being doomed is unable to control completely. According to currently knows, he, starts underworld mirror each time, must gather abyss all true God's power, should then stems from this, because. Yun Che once again silent, in the soul sea resounds his slow even heart tic-tac. It seems like, I need to adjust the strategy slightly. Calms the mind in profound array, Yun Che opened the eye slowly. He just went out, then to Meng Kongchen that on a face ambiguous smiled, is the young people, really cannot repress. Yun Che heart next one surprise, understands clearly. His sensation to Hua Keli aura, was pacing back and forth in not the far place, obviously has arrived, is actually unsuitable to approach, can only wait for his meeting. Yun Che takes advantage of opportunity saying, Senior God Venerate, does not know, whether convenient. Convenient. Having anything is not convenient. Meng Kongchen needs say, Wei, era presents to perfect godship, this is the unprecedented certainly now dual miracle. You mutually are the exchangers, that is the normal matter. But, if other divine country arrive, must pay attention to some discretion, you will be long in the future, does not need extremely eagerly this for a while, particularly boundless divine country. I understand. Relax, I am Keli in you before we pave the way, decides will not make the ill action. Yun Che accordingly, said to Meng Jianxi, God's son Shi, but also wants to be exhausted you to pay attention to other divine country trends. If other divine country arrive, but also looks to be able first to inform by the soul sound. Goes out of the garden, Yoon Che a form that saw Hua Keli. Even in this fine such as deep pool world illusion pure land, her form dialing heart extremely pulls up the soul as before. Hua Keli beautiful eyes flashes. Smile bloomed, magnificent sword light flashes together plunders, she is animated standing before the Yoon Che body. Your will Father God put your come out unexpectedly. Yoon Che is saying with a smile. Two people has not forwarded again, restraint is maintaining the 3 steps distance. I made many guarantees, with great difficulty come out. Once has other divine country to arrive, I must result. Hua Keli is telling discontentedly, but facial features as before Wapage, elder brother Yoon, comes with me quickly, I led you to see a person. Good, aunt. Aunt saw grand divine emissary. Will not have any danger above pure land, she will not follow I. She brings Yoon Che, brings the smile, physique light and lively flying to north of pure land place of shining white. Meanwhile, beside pure land light call swings spatially. Boundless divine country main profound she. Number 2118, Shattered, last part. Pure land is huge and spacious, is pure and quiet, as if forever will not have the dust, forever will not have the contamination. It looks like separates in abyss world another independent world completely. Anybody comes this, surely is overcautious, trembling with fear, but Hua Keli obviously is an exception. She is smiling, physique handsome, to hear each especially familiar, abyss night and pure land that God health, God even, including meets, can shout the name and title most probably directly. Abyss night and pure land God health, God saw her, salutes upon meeting respectfully, some will also show the happy expression, not prevents and interrogates the meaning certainly. Across spacious, the present world suddenly becomes colorful, 10,000 wooden numerous flowers map in the eyes, meets immortal realm just like immortal realm in again. Pure land element aura was extremely rich, but here unexpectedly again rich several times, and is primarily the fire, thunder, wind, simultaneously, but also shakes something one is not unusual, and being incompatible some cold chi. In 10,000 wooden clumps, has several exquisite rooms, just like person of extra mundane of shelter. What a pity, actually should not have the birds winged insect that is here. Is it possible that the place of divine emissary Ling Jian dwelling place of celestial beings? Yoon Che looks at the front to ask. Hua Keli said surprise, elder brother Yoon is quite fierce, arrives at pure land obviously for the first time, unexpectedly guest come out all of a sudden. At this time, the front space shook something like the ripple, a female form went out from the flowers and trees, the smile looks at 2 people, small Keli comes. A woman's pure white long dress, sparse embellishment several pale pink kume. Her skin color is fair, is difficult to distinguish the age, the long hair pulls by simple tying a belt, the vision does not have the wave refined, the mouth has a smile lightly, such as a long time occupies the mountains and plains, did not ask the purifying the mind scholar of human affairs. If regardless her terrifying peerless invisible spirit pressure. Falls aunt. Hua Keli intimate shouting, is the half-step moves forward to meet somebody. When close to her sensation to existence of that cold chi, the pupil color collected immediately, this cold chi. Granny Lin Jian could it be that? Yes. The females nod the head gently, master knows you to be nearer the date and time to come, talking over, actually unfortunately suddenly, suffering a relapse. At this point, her pupil light shifts to Yoon Che, this is. Yoon Che forwards, salutes respectfully, weaving dream divine country Yoon Che, has seen the falling senior. Hua Keli shouted, false aunt, 4 characters, is unable not to make in his hearts the play. Move. Because this is under the abyss god to the extreme, one of the pure land 4 big strongest god health, God, divine emissary Ling Jian the name of near body god waiting on. So the white clothing accommodates elegantly, no matter what who saw, cannot think that decisively she can be so existence of terrifying. Yoon Che, the falling god waits on lightly surprise, understands clearly, originally is former god's son Meng Jianyong that weaving dream divine country retrieves, if really in rumor has an imposing appearance generally, the look is uncommon, gets rid of Yuan Keli common perfect godship, on the appearance, is exceeds Meng Jianxi only a great deal. Her words especially are straightforwardly direct, even if said related to divine country god's son. The Yunche surface not changes countenance saying, senior erroneous to praise, junior this time comes, is the hope can recommend by God's daughter Keli, gazes the divine emissary Lin Jian bearing fortunately. Falling the smile is still light, young Master Yuan this time is unable to achieve wishes, Master does not facilitate to receive guests temporarily. Does not have the relations not to relate. Hua Keli said hastily, we do not disturb, later comes to see Granny Lin Jian again. Yun Che has not actually stepped, but held a small jade box, before so, this is Junior arrives at Pure Land, specially divine emissary Lin Jian preparation the ritual of pays respect to, the exhausted falling senior accepts. Hua Keli looks being astonished Kala, has not thought actually Yun Che will prepare the gift unexpectedly. Does not need. False said lightly, Master she does not touch this mortal world, does not moisten common custom, I will convey the young Master Yuan ritual intent to Master. Hua Keli actually puts out a hand, has taken the jade box in Yun Che hand, then the direct stopper to the hand that in the falling god waited on, smart Aleki say, Wei, false aunt, this is elder brother Yun specially is the gift of Granny Lin Jian preparation, certainly used many thoughts, Granny Lin Jian is so gentle, will not definitely be cruel enough to reject, you help Granny Lin Jian accept. Quote. Is looking in the hand the jade box that was forced to receive, fell to shake the head to smile, half th, helpless, half th, Pamper said, good, my then generation of master accept. Keli, you, if there is leisure, may bring young Master Yuan to spirit immortal pink clouds boundary nearby view, but was sure to remember that not separable here is too near. If disturbs Granny Lin Jian is not good. Hua Keli gracefully saluted, false aunt, we do not disturb, after having seen Uncle Abyss Sovereign, we see Granny Lin Jian again. Yun Che and Hua Keli leave. Looks back that two people departs, recall that the Hua Keli expression and obviously unusual look, the falling god waits on looking pensive. Takes up the jade box in hand, she very optional opening. The spiritual energy overflows, she is the quiet pale facial expression stagnated unexpectedly, refers to the jade box being lifted by her to immediately at present. Immediately, deep and quiet red light shines upon into her because to be excited and pupil of unbelievable and fast enlargement. This is. Her rapid booklet body, intrudes her directly just now in ice-cold formation that protects. I listened to Dreamless God venerate saying that divine emissary Lin Jian was special because of innate constitution, often was bitten the body by the element. Just now the falling god waited on to say the element that is it possible that she, suffering a relapse, referred to did bite the body. Hua Keli nod, among the facial expressions has the obvious worry, moreover. Granny Lin Jian body, the frequency of outbreak was probably getting higher and higher, previous outbreak, before more than 4 years, I just left Pure Land time. She reviews, beautiful eyes belt, bring sorrow looked one, lightly said, I had once seen the appearance of Granny Lin Jian body hardship disaster outbreak, really quite fearful, then fierce Granny Lin Jian, will show that painful expression. She had spoken a few words with me, she said that, the long life is the hopes of innumerable life, is actually to her greatest suffering. But, she actually cannot die, because there is a person to need her. Yun Che. Hua Keli spits the breath gently, Granny Lin Jian, only if there is matter of being forced, otherwise almost never leaves Pure Land. She has even said that she in the world in the eyes is noble powerful divine emissary, actually, but is in a cage that gets sick hardship to be encumbered the bird. Then obviously is gentle, then good Granny Lin Jian, has actually been suffering so many pain. Yun Che is hesitating the say, way, she is unable easily to leave Pure Land, because her essence is the beast. The corrosion of abyss dust to beast clan is better than human race. Divine emissary Lin Xian as the vermilion bird descendant, when is the beast clan, naturally fears abyss dust extremely. Hua Keli looks surprisedly. Elder brother Yun, have you known unexpectedly? However, she close to Yun Che some, voice, sound also presses bass and low, cannot outside say that this matter, in front of Granny Lin Xian, she actually minds this point particularly very much. Why? Yun Che is puzzled. As the ancient times god race descendant, in the flesh and blood is carving surely to the pride of family background. Pure Land divine emissary takes under abyss sovereign, existence above myriad spirits, from, when proud Muju the world, why will care about own race unexpectedly? Only if. Hua Keli small head looks in all directions, hesitant a small little while, has not actually opened the mouth, but is said in a low voice, after left Pure Land, I told you again on the quiet. Such good. Yun Che stopped the footsteps at this time suddenly. Hua Keli also follows to pause, when the doubts visit him, Yun Che actually forwards suddenly, is deliberately the separated distance pulled closer them all of a sudden, nearly to can the clear sensation to the opposite party warm spitting breath. Elder brother Yun, the Hua Keli breath is chaotic, does not have sane drawing back to open. Yun Che hangs the eye, the pleasantly warm line of sight falls into her beautiful eyes, other matters, after can leave Pure Land, said. But my prepared 3 years of gift, has thought very much, impatient wants to give you. What is, so near distance, also will only give her look and voice, sound, without doubt moved Hua Keli to constrain 3 years of emotion and missing in heavily, let her rapid heartbeat, the state of mind was more chaotic, lost soberly gradually. You, first close the eye. A mysticalness of Yun Che face, brings the just right anxiety. Hua Keli according to word slowly to close eyes, above snowy face full as the anticipation. Is not good, you also receive completely spirit sense, cannot quietly the sensation. In Yun Che voice, sound mysterious and anxious and many several points. I do not have. Her flowery lips light honk, actually immediately very obedient collects completely spirit sense, slightly is supine the cheeks saying, was this always okay? Will expedite a greater anticipation mystically, even has not restrained spirit sense, Hua Keli still basically can only the sensation to the fierce heartbeat in Yun Che's aura. Again Vuxen, unintentional, other. She felt that Yun Che's aura is becoming more and more nearly, the wine from her volumes crosses the cheeks warm, then touches gently above her flowery lips. She opens the pupil quietly, looks close, face mischievous Yun Che. Received. Yun Che is leaning the corners of the mouth, a working happy expression, I saved entire 3 years of missing. Beautiful eyes of young girl opens completely, has not actually revealed the least bit disappointed or angry, but the half step forward suddenly, the both arms hug firmly in the Yun Che's nape of the neck, the flowery lips heavily kiss, Yingzu beautiful teeth also bite his lower lip gently, does not make him easily work loose. Some little time, she beautiful teeth loosen, the cheek dyes the powder mist, is actually the competitive say, way, look, is my missing are obviously more. The young girls immerse in the extremely happy world, completely has not detected, the pure land space of distant place, walked two fuzzy forms. Elder brother Juji, you have not visited heaven breaker divine country to be, actually comes thus directly, believes firmly that God's daughter Keli does decide here. The palace thought that is sizing up the surrounding pure land world, while full of enthusiasm asking. He is boundless divine country young one generation besides Dian Juji, most outstanding imperial prince. Still less than the ages of 360-year cycle, is actually divine extinction realm third level cultivation base, still one past Dian Juji, myriad manifestations merit initially has become. He is young, has not experienced that passing that Dian Juji could not most have withstood, respects and worships to the extreme to him. Dian Juji is with smile on the face, the mood is extremely obviously good, Kelly arrives at Pure Land each time, the metropolis, can first seize divine emissary Ling Jian, this time must be also no exception. The palace thinks side, elder brother Juji, although gathers with God's daughter Kelly little leaves many, but knows to all her so thorough. Can result in elder brother Juji so the intention, God's daughter Kelly seriously is lucky to the extreme. No, you said instead. Diane Juji is actually smiling shaking the head, luck is I. If no Kelly, then without my today at this time. Moreover, the manner adores none as lucky, can seek one to make you be willing to pay all people of adoring, is the great good fortune of lifetime. The palace thinks nod, elder brother Juji these words, I all remembered. However, I do not think that in this world can have a female, will make me be willing such as elder brother Juji to treat God's daughter Kelly to treat her generally. Ha ha, Diane Juji laughed heartily, you are young. When I such as you so age, does not believe that world will have so one person. The palace thought that an eye of reveal anticipated, I, although can never see right in front of one God's daughter Kelly fortunately, but is innumerable has actually seen her portrait in Juji elder brother there and projects, is the grace and talent is seriously peerless. Does not know real God's daughter Kelly. Paints a portrait and projects, how could to describe the eventuality of Kelly grace and talent? Diane Juji breaks him with a smile, when you see her, will understand what, for. King, truly. His voice sounds suddenly slow, until card in Hojan, the footsteps was to lose stopping of strength there. The palace thinks follows to pause, just about to asks, suddenly saw the line of sight the front two forms. They support in the same place, entangles absorbed crazily, as if the sentiment moves, has not attended to hear quite the same as to high Pure Land. The man is outstanding the dust, by the look, still wins Diane Juji several points only unexpectedly. But the female, its appearance it's magnificent, making this Pure Land immortal realm the set-off of her heavenly beauty. Her pair of beautiful eyes has looked at the man before body crazily, as if the whole world his forms, are not only able to accommodate other again. The palace thought that both eyes stare in a big way, is filled with astonishment. Because of the looks of female, distinct, is. No, absolutely impossible. He looks hastily to Diane Juji, actually discovered that his complexion unexpectedly is a paleness with amazement. His both hands are trembling, the whole body is trembling fiercely, both sides full are the soft light eyes, at this moment trembles several of swinging to disrupt, the pupil of sudden enlargement almost must overspread the entire eyeball. 9. Elder brother Juji. The throat that the palace thinks somewhat becomes rough suddenly. This calls slowly, probably pulls out the nightmare that Diane Juji falls suddenly, his vision has transferred little, then when closes the eye, opens, as before is painful trembling, both hands that even, including gets hold of stubbornly, is unable to suppress from shivering of soul bottom. We walk. He sends out voice, sound, is actually as dry as ear piercing. Line of sight that pulls back stubbornly, does not dare to look to direction one. Elder brother Juji. The palace thinks forwards, puts out a hand the arm that held him not to live to tremble, that person, she, could it be that is really. Quote. Walks. Voice, sounds that Diane Juji blurts hoarser, but is still very light, for fear that alarms to the form of distant place, even if the soul is the pain once broken. Arrived at this moment, the palace thought that vertical is to deceive itself unable. His brow sinks, the anger comes up in great numbers and from all sides, absurd, absurd. Elder brother Juji to her affectionate hands, has abyss sovereign to bestow the engagement in vain, she dares so to treat elder brother Juji. It is not good. Must. A hand according to his shoulder, depressed his aura of anger and overflow stubbornly. You did not listen to my words. His voice, sound, his facial expression, is to make the palace think the completely strange fearfulness. Matter that forgot to see a moment ago, cannot mention, particularly Father God with anybody, heard not to have. The palace thought that decides to visit him, although is controlling vigorously, 5 senses but who twist as before unceasingly, some little time wouldn't nod, heard. Elder brother Jurji to feel relieved, I know one will say. The Dian Jurji chest cavity fluctuates, in the mouth long puts out the spitting breath of trembling, then pulls up the palace to think, is constraining aura, silent being far away. His footsteps, if never this moment heavy, when the past years got sucked into the mire. Until they walk away, Yunche lets loose gently has held Hua Keli in bosom. His corner of the eye had split-second that to pass over gently and swiftly the position that Dian Jurji just now presented that the lip angle as before was the genial faint smile. Keli, our appearances, how if weren't seen by the pure land person carefully can. Snort, you added. Hua Keli jade-like finger drew several circles in Yunche's palm, this longing letting loose, then separated 3 steps distance. Granny Lin Jian immortal realm in most calm and elegant, has God health, guarding, will not fear that some people see. However, other places should better not to act unreasonably, otherwise, I fear that will really disrupt the arrangement of Father God and Dreamless God venerate. I knew. Yunche hastily faced sincere accordingly, I ensure is at least far from your 3 steps. Vox, I led you to go to a place again, that person will certainly like you very much. Does not know that thought of anything, the Hua Keli lip angle curls upwards, very mysterious chuckle. Number 2119, 6 smiles. Above Pure Land, Star Moon Divine Country has also arrived. In Star Moon Divine Country team, Pan Bovang exists appears as incompatible. His situation without doubt is also very awkward, especially those young Star Moon per month disciple, look that is extremely bad to his vision. One to Pure Land, checks the star very at the right moment draws Pan Bovang to go out. Not absurd brother, this time is near again Pure Land, how the state of mind. Pan Bovang looks at the front saying, Pure Land all, as if are eternally unchanging. At this moment looks in all directions, feels shocked world is strangest, unexpectedly is I. Oh, checks some star surprise in his feeling. Pan Bovang smiles, not gets sick moan that's all, Star God's son does not need to care, Star God's son helps me come this today, decided withstood a big resistance. This time benevolence, my Pan Bovang. Stops, checks the star to prevent his following words, I also to return the graciousness, the unnecessary words not no need to say. If you're seriously grateful in me, might as well to I disclosed some, you and he, the relations. Pan Bovang is without turning a hair saying, is uninterested outside. Is ordinary in private such as you, benefactor and receiving favor relations. Checks the star curling the lip corner, horn off, forget it, that's all, when I had not asked. His leaning pupil, deeply stared at Pan Bovang one, not absurd brother, your change is very big. Arrived letting me somewhat is even strange, is more curious, you so go through all the complications must arrive at Pure Land, actually must make anything. He has not closely examined, but meaningful said, I wait. The air suddenly becomes quiet cold, the even, including ray faintly was gloomy several points. This is approaching of dark aura. Checked the star and Pan Bovang stopped the footsteps simultaneously. The front, spreading prayer God venerate Pan Yusheng before, COD, owl butterfly, God's son plate not outstanding in the side, the owl butterfly divine country people under to lead the 3 Pure Land gods protect, is walking gradually toward them. Spreading prayer God venerate what kind of spirit sense, had then detected early existence of Pan Bovang, actually did not look askance, the vision has not had in his body, even if the instant stay, imitates if has not seen. Checks the star to salute upon meeting rapidly, Star Moon Divine Country checks the star, pays respect to spreading prayer God venerate and senior. Pan Bovang also bows to salute slightly, lowers the head to call one lightly, Father God. Pan Yusheng to checking the star nods slightly, is actually ignores to Pan Bovang, when Pan Bovang salutes to him respectfully, his eye ground passes the one surprise, but disappears. In recent years, Pan Buvang facing him only has the anger, disappointed, manic neighing even to lose the taunt of wisdom, did not have the half a point again respectful, but at this moment, actually so respectful and submissive saluting, exit, to speak, Father God, two characters also bring long separated as too long, almost strange respect. But, this wipes to touch also flickers merely. He has arrived to Pan Buvang disappointedly loses heart, announced that discards personally him, regardless of the life and death, does not look at each other. When will soon scrape past, plate not outstanding actually. Stopped the footsteps, interested about us sizing up Pan Buvang. Yo, this is not the whale straker that jumps out my COD, our butterfly. Heard that you want to enter weaving dream fallen dream valley actually to be caught up with come out in the past. The hair, good and evil you also once were COD, our butterfly, God's son, was actually content to become a leading a befuddled life as if drunk or dreaming disabled person. Yourself disgracefully also even, if not weaving dream throws you, nearly implicated my owl butterfly divine country to follow the joke. Pan Buvang has not said a word. Oh, this did cultivation base also progress unexpectedly. Plate not outstanding seems as surprised the color, disdains to smile, can it be that to mingle among fog see for these years the transferring nature? You deliberately plan to arrive at pure land, could it be that want to prove itself in front of abyss sovereign, then makes Father God admit you? Plate not outstanding reveals quite bad smiling, voice, sound pulls down, disgraceful thing, do not have daydream, you only match like only the wild dog rotten outside, I have been able to smell your body that pitiful putrefactive odor. Quote. Pan Buvang is lowering the head as before lowly, does not say a word, is hard to catch the change of his facial expression. Not outstanding brother, checks star coldly to make noise, do not lose the God's son demeanor. Plate not outstanding receives the taunt of corners of the mouth, to checking the star said, when Pan Buvang is God's son does not have the achievements, in recent years makes my COD, our butterfly, prestige be damaged one after another, today sees suddenly, really cannot suppress the malicious talk, making star God's son be laughed. He smiles lightly, lifts the step to depart, the sound of taunt but not minces continues to transmit, the star God's son status as honored, is to this and other dirty thing far good, so as to avoid moistened unluckily. Vox has not looked back in most the front Pan Yu Sheng, has not prevented and reprimanded the word of plate not outstanding. The owl butterfly divine country people go to the Pan Buvang vision also mostly indifferently or pity, when previous time arrives at pure land, Pan Buvang is the moon per month of their numerous star simultaneous, uniform arch. After they walk away, checks the star to sink the brow, some said bitterly, this not outstanding goes too far really. Pan Buvang unemotional say, way, after his mother high rank, then kill secretly my royal mother, therefore, I and he are doomed unable to coexist. He for God's son these years, outwardly in suppression in secret to me and humiliates, the viciousness of method, is not even able to imagine by your personality. If not with the brutal agreement, my ears was unable to support. These words fall to check in the star ear, has not let his sensation to enough clear hate intent, this instead makes his dark center be startled. He patted the shoulder of Pan Buvang, a face said earnestly, just wait, in front of abyss sovereign, I must frustrate his point. Solely does not vent anger for you, that not outstanding looks tedious. Good. Pan Buvang smiles lightly, the pupil bottom is a dark deep pool that checks the star unable to touch, I wait to witness the star God's son heavenly wolf invincible might again. Distant place buzz resounds, the pure land light screen opens again. It seems like, eternal night divine country also arrived. The language falls, checks the star to look askance to look that, he just that several instant hate intent and killing intent is extremely really intense to Pan Buvang, he wants to neglect cannot. Taunted facing plate not outstanding like that recklessly provokes him not to change countenance, now here's, eternal night, two characters, killing intent will then lose control shortly. Checks the star to look to the distant place, say, way that anticipates. Eternal night divine country new Shenwu God's daughter recalled, this time finally can see the appearance, portrait. Eternal night divine country hides so solid ha, but do not disappoint people extremely. Puff bang. Yoon Chae and Hua Keli just approached, his ears in the front stone building rumbled to resound, a black smoke gushes out from the windows and doors of stone building, seems especially conspicuous under the pure land pure white tone. It is not right. The crucial moment is not right. The being in the way thing, goes out. A young man accompanies the black smoke to go out from the stone building, sees Hua Keli, he looks the smile, small Keli came. During the speeches, he does not lose gracefully brushed off the cigarette ash on sleeves. You and Uncle Brave. The Hua Keli politeness gave regards, then hurried introduced, he is elder brother Yoon, weaving dream divine country predecessor God's son, the beforehand name is. Oh, Meng Jianyun, here's early. Yuan brave God waits on the whole face to smile, human and animals harmless greater good, with small Keli common perfect godship, natural talent. Oh, in even, including appearance, your two people actually appropriate match very much, what a pity acted swiftly to get there first by Juji that boy. Yoon Chae sad face, looked that person, speech is really evil. Yoon Chae pays respect to Yuan brave senior. Although junior is initially to Pure Land, but has liked thunder reverberating in one's ears to the name of Yuan brave senior, is charmed for a long time. Custom said common custom, exempted. The Yuan brave beckons with the hand, this discovered the own fair palm had been dyed black like the bottom of the pot, therefore sluggish losing behind, master he just when the enthusiasm, you not disturb too well, otherwise. Bang. Also as a depressed fulmination sound gets up, along with a stronger black smoke. Also, exciting howling resounds from the stone building, oh notch. Became, small Keli, comes in quickly, has the good thing. Yuan brave Chang sighed deeply, resigned looking color. Elder brother Yoon, Uncle Liu Xiao is shouting us, goes in quickly. A Hua Keli underfoot point, is flies into the stone building, Yoon Chae waited on the politeness to nod the head to Yuan brave god, follows in her behind. Yuan brave divine corpse has not stopped, but is faintly sighed, the cognition of another young people must be ground tilde. The stone building is not big, inside thing is actually dazzling of suede. In the black smoke of tumbling, wears the grey cotton cloth thick clothes, stature dry thin and small old man is digging the buttocks to lie there, two skinny palms rub in one group of aura strange scarlet fires, in the eye brilliant shines, in the mouth mumbled. From the Yoon Chae's angle, live image before flexure is moving to frog of claw. Uncle Liu Xiao, Hua Keli shouted one affectionate. The frog, oh is not right, that grey clothes old man in this time, Su, ball, then stepped the rapid small broken step to flee to Hua Keli in front of, small Keli, you come just right. Quickly, tastes to look quickly. This is the formula that I just improved to complete, for it, I must thrust out once in a while as asking spirit immortal that old woman to get a light shamelessly, finally became. Since this absolutely has been my these millenniums the greatest work. Guaranteed that then can make you become an immortal. His facial features are dry, the eye socket gets sucked, at this moment is actually emitting brilliant none. Even, including full head sparse uncombed hair exciting but actually vertical. In a pair of dirty expert, holds one to seem like the similarly dirty dumpling, is actually sending out the pale fragrance of seeping soul. Quote. Yoon Chae stands still same place, twitching that the corners of the mouth somewhat are slightly difficult to damp. He listens to Hua Keli to shout him, Uncle Liu Xiao, with one's own ears. This where can be called ragged, the condition is acting like a madman old man. Unexpectedly is one. Divine emissary. Moreover, divine emissary Ling Jiana's mother-in-law, why this dry is old man actually, uncle. Real. The Hua Keli facial features whoppage, put out a hand to receive the dumpling in old man hand, then did not shut output in the mouth directly. Bites, Hua Keli is the eye splits the different glow, woo. Is quite delicious. Similarly is, 6 smiles becoming an immortal cake, but wanted many, the change of woo. Even, including taste, smell also to be delicious more than before several types. Right. Hu he 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 ha. Hua Keli so approves and praises, making old man almost explode completely the whole body fine hair, that laughs wildly is excited wants soul to have the whole, worthily is I. Worthily is this pure land. Oh, no, this abyss first kitchen god. Oh was right. Later, it changes name to call, 6 to smile flying immortal cake, managed its anything real immortal falls immortal to eat to fly to me, humph ha ha. Hua Keli is still chewing carefully, careful taste, then neither too fast nor too slow opens the mouth in old man laughing wildly recklessly, although was more delicious than before, the shortbread that but made with elder brother Yun compared, but also wanted in the difference is so little. Laughing wildly of old man seems like break stops suddenly all at once. That pair was the minimum. I stared the shape of bronze bell in split second obstinately. What why yo did you say? I, my do 6 smile the flying immortal to be crisp. Almost. He stares greatly the eye, is confirming one after another, probably this spoken language touches the huge taboo that he did not touch possibly. Right. Hua Keli not a wee bit sluggish nod, her beautiful eyes limpid like Jing Lake, pure brings an innocent person, regardless of the spoken language or the facial expression, is nature like that and natural. Among that moment, Yun Che as if heard in the old man chest cavity to have anything shattered voice, sound. Then, he stamps one's foot, one neighed, impossible. These 6 smiled the flying immortal to condense my millennium's heart blood crisply, enough tens of thousands times mixing, but the birth had left this unrivaled immortal Jane, treasure, even I 8 wished one could to kiss one. What that named cloud gauge is what thing makes such as my so good Jane, treasure on this unlucky name also match. It is not such as your so. Hua Keli investigates the correct path hastily, really be more delicious, moreover many things that the shortbread that Uncle Lucio does, elder brother Yun makes incessantly, make come out Uncle Lucio is more delicious. Quote. Yun Che heard the sound of some shattered again, the broken inconsistency. Number 2120, Extra Mundane Kitchen God. The old man corners of the mouth, then stamped one's foot once again, you're this little girl, this did not see in several years, how also to learn to lie. Old man I am with concentration kitchen entire more than 1 million years. Ah, little girl knows that what is 1 million years not. Your divine country these so-called kitchens said the grandmaster, my cross the threshold in old man continually cannot be joined to. In this world compared with person, few of my old thing live long time, can exceed my person in kitchen attainments as impossible exists, including can touch to the people of my foot heel does not have. When he stamps one's foot, even the beard almost must set upright, so to respond, if simply touches reverse scale. Yun Che looking pensive, but Hua Keli does not have, listening to reason, the meaning, innocent and honest say, way, I am so respectable and like Uncle Lucio, how to possibly lie to Uncle Lucio? The good food that elder brother Yun makes, is to compare delicious of 6 uncles. Then, she does not wait for old man having a fit of bad temper again to respond, light moving sideways stands the Yun Che body side, is away from him nearly pastes to almost body, right, elder brother Yun. Old man vision diagonal Yun Che, as if then discovers his existence. Entire tribe with the hair that however only one, he just explodes brushes, then making threatening gestures laughs. You said on this boy. Hoo ha ha. On age aura of this young fellow, but also in the ash without my nail seem as big, they're saying that exceeds me on the kitchen say, way. You're this little girl, the cultivation base progress are many, the brain suddenly is not how miraculous. If he can make exceeds me, 6 to smile flying immortal cake, the delicacy, the name that later I6 smile turns inside out to right. Uncle Liu Xiao plays to cheat. Hua Keli is bending the facial features, 6 smile to turn inside out to right as 6 smiles. Since Uncle Liu Xiao is not convinced, that does dare to hit a gambling with me again. Makes a bet. The eye of old man obviously stared in a big way a point. This gambling kitchen attainments that but Uncle Liu Xiao most excels. Hua Keli said with a smile, bets elder brother Yun to make smiles of flying immortal cake more delicious thing compared with 6. Naturally, Uncle Liu Xiao, if not dare even. Other such small junior, how also dares to feel embarrassed Uncle Liu Xiao. He, old man grins to send out smiles strangely, reveals full mouth yellow tooth, stirs up May with this saying, the gambling. Must bet, this boy, if can exceed me on the kitchen say, way, later I shouted that your uncle, spat. I shouted that your grandma is good. Hua Keli shook the small hand hastily cleverly, that how, Uncle Liu Xiao is I most respectable senior, this cannot be chaotic absolutely. If, Uncle Liu Xiao really lost by some chance, accepted AI small request to be good, he. Will I lose? He cries out strangely, has not actually smiled again, instead the vision sweeps up and down, sized up Yun Che. How he cannot know, Hua Keli does this is not aimless suddenly absolutely. But must say that this young fellow can exceed him on the kitchen say, way. He rather believes that this boy can a finger on cultivation base be run over and die his divine emissary. Boy. Old man did not ask that Yun Che's name origin, is slanting the old eyes saying, old man I with you such big time, even the mud has not played to understand. Really say compared with the kitchen that is old man I bullies you. This, behind his pointed out, old man my other does not have, various world types of treasure food have everything expected to find. If your boy can use here thing, makes casually can let my pleasant good food together, even if this little girl wins. Looked the appearance that has smiles, refers to erratically is suppressing any bad fart. The old man's spoken language at will and vulgar, is actually completely obviously to Hua Keli pamper and toleration. He knew in the heart that Hua Keli is looking to ask for a request by the head to him surely, then gives him directly this opportunity. After all does not enter. Pleasant, he decides. Yun Che bows a ritual, does not have accordingly, his vision takes a fast look around, suddenly puts out a hand, more than 10 temperate winds spin, non-stop flies to that lumps of pilot 6s and 7s food. However several breaths, 37 types of the food of various assorted shapes then laid out before the Yun Che's body. Senior, you make, 6 smile flying immortal cake, must use these 37 materials, does not know that the judgment of junior can have the deviation. Quote. Grey clothes old man, of divine emissary Liu Xiao solemn pure land 4 divine emissary had not replied immediately, his pair of old eyes as big in little staring, stares again in a big way, the live image as big daytime dam. Hua Keli flowery lips also opens slightly, beautiful eyes trembles amazed swings deeply, looks at the response of divine emissary Liu Xiao this exaggerating to the extreme, obviously Yun Che's judged right, the entire 37 types of food, were slightly are not unexpectedly wrong. She only knows, so long as Yun Che does, its taste just like the immortal, still wins divine emissary Liu Xiao all. Has not actually thought that he is in the so unthinkable situation unexpectedly fiercely. Divine emissary Liu Xiao turns the head suddenly, the raw called out, a Yuan brave, rolls. Just waited on moving sideways of, Su, to enter body mist and dust cleaning up clean Yuan brave god, master you called me. These 6 smile the flying immortal crisp recipes, did you tell this boy? Yuan brave is innocent, undeserved master. Even if the Yuan brave has the huge courage not to dare to divulge your recipes. Here is not right, your 6 smiled the flying immortal cake just not to make, even the name also just now got up, where came what recipes? Quote. Get lost. Good. Yuan brave, Su, flashed. The line of sight of divine emissary Liu Xiao stares at Yun Che, from time to time sweets to that 37 types of food, in the mouth of whisper, a little way, no wonder this little girl dares is so cocky. Yun Che hastily humbly said, Senior erroneous to praise, Junior particularly is sensitive to the smell, knows by luck. That Junior then by same food, tries 6 of Senior to smile the flying immortal to be crisp. The language falls, he steps back, the wind spin curls up, 37 types of food passed over gently and swiftly from his hand gradually, by one smashing, tempered, purification. Kang Shuhei taught initially Yun Che cook time, once acclaimed him to excel by far the world in the advantage of this field of endeavor, no one may. This absolutely not flattered, but was the indisputable fact. Because of this world most peak strength of tempered and purification, has sky poison pearl in his hands. Therefore any food, can easily achieve most perfect handling in his hands. But a kitchen another important factor, the control to the flame, has evil gods profound veins him similarly is unparalleled in the world. Even if others the 10 lifetimes cultivation will also be unreachable forever. By sky poison pearl plane, level, breath of its tempered and purification vertical is better than divine emissary is not possible to infer. In the line of sight of divine emissary Liu Xiao, these food, are cut the crack, to stroke the powder by the profound energy peeling that continuously outside Yun Che releases, the essence completely remains, the surplus completely goes. The entire process arrives accurate exquisitely unthinkably, moreover unexpectedly fast incomparable. Does not have the breathing one breath to for quite a while that divine emissary Liu Xiao looks. Scarlet light dazzling, the flame ignites in the Yun Che's palm, with the waving of turn over and finger of his palm, the flame disperses dozens. Sizes to vary, the hot snake that the even, including scalding hot degree has nothing in common, waves above the different food persuasively, sometimes leaves immediately, sometimes burns, sometimes extinguishes. Finally, all flame fall in the Yun Che's palm, after several breaths, completely all extinguishes. Yun Che's palm also opened at this time slowly, in the palm, calmly laid down 2 lustres to be the same, shape different shortbread. Light delicate fragrance also scattered in all directions to open at this time. The delicate fragrance touches the nose, making the throat of divine emissary Liu Xiao unexpectedly unconscious, gulp. Completed. Yun Che lifts the hand, will then take to Hua Keli, Keli, you first give a try. Compared with divine emissary Liu Xiao that dirty one group, Yun Che with Hua Keli they is actually especially fine, its shape holds the moon per month for the young girl, but the moon per month half-hidden cloud gap, between, its meaning its boundary directs the person daydream. Wow, good attractive. Hua Keli holds it in the hand, beautiful eyes is exuding the different glow, the movement particularly was careful, attractive did not endure to eat. The Yun Che smile said, good food must achieve the color fragrance to be good, when its shape its color will interfere with a person to enjoy the delicacy state of mind to a great extent, therefore does slightly gaudily. Although the food is the same, but I think temporarily, wants to come in the approach and matching with the senior has the difference greatly, naturally does not dare in the name of, 6 to smile flying immortal cake, then called it, the moon per month to lean to reflect cloud su. When the Yun Che language falls, Hua Keli had nipped one gently. Immediately, her small head lifts, if the double pupil has stars shining to shine, delicious. Really quite delicious. Not only contour attractive, the smell is quite fragrant, the name is of pleasant to hear, even, including taste, smell also wants on, many little compared with the Uncle Liu Xiao flying immortal crisply. The divine emissary Liu Xiao obvious outside raised eyeball seems to have received at this time. As gradually a kitchen enough more than 1 million years of person, he is more defined than Yun Che Hua Keli that a series of operation is what kind of is just now astonishing. Also does not wait for Yun Che to speak, his palm grasps, has clamped another shortbread of Yun Che palm in the fingertip, the exotic fragrance greets the nostrils, his movement stagnated slightly, in losing entrance. Clenches teeth, only the flash, his pair of old eyes stares outside raised come out again. 10 several types of different exotic fragrances blast out in his mouth, the prompt radiation taste bud, he felt clearly oneself soul followed crisply. Is far higher than the present age's first kitchen god of divine emissary title as the in his eyes importance, he can distinguish that wisp of taste, smell accurate came from what type of food. But these taste, smell, correction, all achieved might be called the perfect degree, merge about, was intertwined to sell soul to be infatuated mutually, lets the body numb peak delicacy. That is one type his, 6 smiles, flying immortal that flying immortal cake, cannot achieve truly the feeling. He was startled, Thara was startled, he stares Yunche, exit to speak voice, sound is somewhat trembling, is this really your boy does temporarily. He to make perfectly this, 6 smile flying immortal cake, but consumed millennium's heart blood, enough several tens of thousands of attempts. Yunche actually seemed mistakenly his intent, said hastily, junior life faded and fallen in world, is very mostly difficult to contact so, and such many different treasures, therefore can only attempt reluctantly, wants to come as to make the senior be laughed. Sees, smiles. Divine emissary Lucio wants to be laughed at actually. This boy is only primary, and shortbread that acting of conveniently so short time, makes her ground his millennium's heart blood, even 1 million years of magical skill, he smiles. Has not waited for divine emissary Lucio to make noise, Hua Keli is tenderly said, elder brother Yun, you make 4-color pink clouds soup to Uncle Lucio, he will certainly have a scare. Good. The Yunche smile, puts out a hand, the leaf that 4 colors sing secretly flew in his hand. Divine emissary Lucio looks fixedly at, unexpectedly is 4 pieces in the bitter leaf that abyss finds it everywhere. Land outside pure land and divine country cannot grow decisively the green wood and complicated, many flower, spend, the vegetation that can survive can resist abyss dust inevitably to a certain extent, naturally has extremely strong vitality. The taste mostly wonderfully painstakingly incomparable, may blend flavors, almost impossible enters the food. Only, these 4 pieces of bitter leaves. Divine emissary Lucio enters a kitchen old school child at this moment likely initially, with a trembling with fear language gas channel, angrily said. Foot. Yunche paddles in 4 bitter leaves back and forth, invisible silent tempered and purification, circulations of after dozens wisps of profound energy, 4 bitter leaves only 4 groups of colors are different, juice group that the size is also different. The Yunche palm gathers coldly, is concentrates an exquisite ice bowl, grasps again, in the bowl are many half bowl of clear water, the juice groups from 4 different bitter leaves fell into the ice bowl at this time one after another, then naturally dissipated, nature merged, formed one bowl of 4-color glazed glass ice soup. Will ice the bowl to hold in front of divine emissary Lucio, 4-color pink clouds soup have become, but also please 6 smile the senior to appraise.